ADA USDT Overview. Trading style, spot. Time frame, mid-term. Margin mode, isolated. Signal type, swing trade. Target time frame, about a month between take profits. Entry levels, 0.4238 to 0.5033. Take profit targets. Target 1, 0.7146. Target 2, 0.8038. Target 3, 0.9019. Target 4, 1.0052. Target 5, 1.2086. Stop loss level, 0.2744. The secret to success in trading financial markets. Look carefully, don't rush, and trade with simple lines like trend lines, price channels, support, and resistance levels. Trade with me. Important recommendation. After reaching each take profit target, consider moving your stop loss to your entry price or the last take profit price. Enter after a pullback for a better entry point. Disclaimer. This analysis is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice.